Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Kewanee, local and long distance movers near me. With our long distance moving services, you can access to all the following: packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, and on time move and upfront pricing. Our team of long distance movers gives you the right option for your long distance move or moving day. Whether you're moving one state over or across the country, we can help you. Your local move may become very overwhelming, even if you're just going a few miles away. Hiring the Illinois Moving Company can help get you the help that you need. Our movers will take the heavy lifting off your shoulders. We provide a faster and easier moving day for your specific needs. With the help of 3 Movers, you'll save time and energy. We streamline the entire process, and it doesn't matter how large your move is, we can get it done fast. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Kewanee moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.